Here's a 2012 Kia Sorento. Your life requires you to be adaptive, and your vehicle should be too. This Sorento's the perfect fit for everything you need it to be. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: automatic transmission, manual tilting steering column, wireless audio streaming, manual telescoping steering column, Bluetooth, external memory control, aluminum wheels, 3 12-volt power outlets, and i4 engine. During a test drive, New Car Test Drive found the latest Sorento quiet, its rigid structure providing an impressive feeling of sturdiness. The suspension is nicely tuned to muffle rough pavement. On winding roads, it feels decently agile and easy to control with perfect steering feel. Step into a Kia and be surprised. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today.
At Metropolitan Ford, you'll always get a great experience and a great price. Stop in and see us today. We're conveniently located off Plaza Drive in Eden Prairie.